Hey everybody, we're just out here having lunch. Decided to stop by the lake. I didn't realize it was frozen over. There's a lot of birds out here. We're gonna go check them out. Out here with Shane and my wife.
Hi.
Let's go see what they're doing. All right. Hoping you can see this. Yeah, I'm using my phone. Try and zoom in a little bit here. There are just hundreds of birds out here all gathered around one spot that's not frozen. It's crazy. We're gonna throw some snacks out here. Hopefully get some to come back. Oh. There we go. Taking a few steps back. Now they're coming in. So funny to watch them eat them on the ice. They never get it on the first try. It just scoots around. There's plenty more out there. Oh, there's the rush. But the ducks don't want anything to do with them. They're just all sitting on their own out here.
They just slide.
And they land, they just like, just keep sliding for a little bit. Yeah, none of you fly over my head. I've already seen what messes you left on the ice. That's as close as they want me to get. They're looking kind of nervous. Especially that one. Well, now they all are.
Oh, they realized there's the crackers over there.
Still some over there, so maybe their crackers are better. Yeah, but those people left. They don't love you. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. We had fun feeding them. I hope they had fun. See you later.